Hello and welcome to another Superintendent Spotlight. Today we celebrate October as National Manufacturing Month. Students across the district have experienced STEM education. Creek Elementary hosted their annual Transportation Day, introducing students to the important role that transportation plays in all of our lives. The event included more than 20 vehicles and a helicopter landing at their school. Also, the Port of Muskogee partnered with more than 400 ninth grade students for Manufacturing Day, showcasing career pathways that are available right here in Muskogee.
Today this is Manufacturing Day, so more than 50 volunteers from higher ed manufacturing institutions have come out to do a classroom activity to kind of plant those seeds with students on the importance of manufacturing. What is the industry and the opportunities that exist?
Manufacturing Day is to be able to present manufacturing to seniors, ninth graders, freshmen, and to introduce a way that manufacturing can be produced is by introducing what manufacturing is, and that's simply taking a raw product and making it into a finished product.
As you can see, it has been an exciting month for our students. Together, we are equipping the next generation with the skills they need for success. As we conclude this episode, let me remind you, it's always a great day to be a reffer.